Do you ever feel like you're doing everything alone in your art journey? Do you wish you had someone who truly understood what you're trying to build? If loneliness feels like a silent part of your art business journey, this video is for you. Many artists work in isolation. They create alone, think alone, struggle alone, and even doubt alone. From the outside, it looks peaceful, but inside, it feels very heavy. You may have family or friends around you, yet still feel misunderstood. They may encourage you emotionally, but not understand the business side of the art. And this gap makes you feel unseen and unsupported. Over time, motivation starts dropping. Here is something important you need to hear. Building anything meaningful alone is extremely hard, but it is faster with support, guidance, and shared understanding. Struggle increases when you isolate yourself. Can we reframe this? Feeling alone does not mean you are weak or incapable. It means you are trying to build something bigger than your current environment. And growth often feels lonely before it feels rewarding. Most artists think they should figure everything out by themselves. They believe asking help means failure. But independence does not mean isolation. When artists are surrounded by the right people, clarity improves. You stop overthinking your decision. You gain confidence because you are no longer guessing. And you know what this kind of support does to you? It reduces your emotional fatigue. Empowerment begins when you realize you don't need to walk this path alone. Learning from others saves your time and energy. Shared journeys feel lighter and more motivating. You don't need a large team or a huge network. You need a small, aligned support system. People who understand art, people who understand money, and people who understand mindset. And the alignment of all these things changes everything. When artists grow with guidance, they stop doubting themselves constantly. They take action faster. They feel emotionally supported during setbacks. And this stability improves results. Imagine building your art business without feeling isolated. Imagine having clarity when confusion arises. Imagine knowing you are not alone in this journey. That emotional safety matters a lot. Most artists stay lonely because they think this is normal. They accept isolation as a part of the art business journey. But struggle is not a requirement for success. Support is the requirement. You deserve guidance, not confusion. You deserve support and not silence. You deserve community and not loneliness. And you deserve growth without emotional exhaustion. If this video made you realize why loneliness affects your art business journey, that awareness is powerful. Growth becomes easier when you seek mentorship. Clarity always increases with proper support. If you are ready to stop building alone and start growing with guidance, comment art business below. Thank you.